Ikaw, Romy de la Cruz, tinatanggap mo ba si Berlinet Cunanan na magiging tunay na asawa? At ikaw ba'y nangangako sa harapan ng Diyos at sa harapan ng mga saksi nito na siya yung mamahalin, kakalingain, igagalang at maging matapag sa Kanya habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay?
Tinatanggap ko po na buong puso.
Ikaw, Berlinet Cunanan, ikaw ba'y nangangako o sa oras na ito'y ikaw ba'y tinatanggap mo ba si Romy de la Cruz sa magiging tunay na asawa na nangako ka sa harapan ng Diyos at sa harapan ng mga saksi nito na siya yung mamahalin, kakalingarin at gagalang at ikay maging matapat sa Kanya habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay?
Nangako po ako.
Dear sweetheart, see your perfect day for us. Actually, 2 years ago, I was praying to God and wanted my communion to Him. I said, Lord, give me the best woman that is perfectly fitted for my personality. And God said to me, my son, for His word, He said, my son, I have blessed you in so many aspects of your life. And now, to have a woman in your life is a very special one. And He said, I will give you an excellent woman. Then, several years came, and we waited for quite a long time. And then you came and crossed along the path of my life. And you are really the excellent woman of my life. I would say excellent because you possess everything that I'm looking for a woman. And really, I admire you so much because you have proven me how much you love me. You know how, well, minahal mo ko in spite of my physical deformity. You have loved me. You did not even consider what other people may say to you. You did not even think of the criticism. Especially during the times that we are walking together, roaming around, but still you have shown your love to me. And because of that, I'm willing to return to the deepest part of my heart. I will love you, I will take care of you, I will be with you always. Your heartbeat and my heartbeat will always be one. Sweetheart, in the presence of the living God, and in front of all these people who supported us, in front of our parents, I will not only say I love you, but I give you the promise of love. May the Lord be always between you and me, between your descendants and my descendants forever. I love you so much.
When I met you, I knew in my heart that you are the man for me, that I will live forever. I believe that God has made our soulmate. And for the short time that we've been together, I also felt the sincerity of your love. Your love that is true, and it's clean, and very kind. I fell in love with you for all the qualities, the abilities, especially the good outlook of life that we have. And now that we are one, blessed by heaven up above, it is my promise to God to give the best of myself to you, and not to ask of you no more than you can give. I will accept you the way you are. I will try to shape you in different image. I will forever respect you as a person, your own interests, desires, and needs. And I promise to be open to you and be I am here because I am willing to grow old with you and willing to face change as we both change to make our relationship last and forever. And lastly, I promise to love you in good times and bad, in all I have to give and all I feel inside, in the only way I know how, completely and forever. I love you so much.